In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot and fix a Squarespace form that isn't submitting. Let's start inside your site editor. Open the page that contains your form and click into the form block so you can see its settings. Being in the form block itself matters because most submission issues come down to something small inside these options rather than a problem with the page or template. Next, review your fields and submission settings. Make sure every required field truly needs to be required, and that each field's format matches what you expect. For example, an email field should be set to the email type, and phone or number fields shouldn't have impossible validation rules. Look at the submit button behavior and post submit options, like the success message or redirect, and ensure spam protection or CAPTCHA settings are appropriate for your audience. A mismatched setting here can quietly block a submission. Now confirm where submissions are supposed to go. In the storage or similar section, check whether entries are being sent to email, a connected storage service, or both. Ensure the destination is connected, authorized, and active. If it's email, verify that the notification address is spelled correctly and is one you can access. If you're using a third-party storage or a spreadsheet, make sure the integration shows as connected and not paused. With that review done, submit a quick test form. Use realistic sample data so validation rules are fully exercised. Watch for any error messages beneath fields or at the top of the form, and take note of exactly what happens after you click submit, whether it spins, reloads, or displays a warning. This test helps you reproduce the issue and points to the specific area that needs attention. Based on what you saw, adjust any field, storage, or notification setting that could be blocking submission. Remove unnecessary required flags, correct field types, simplify validation, reconnect a storage integration, or update the notification address if needed. Keep changes focused on the problem you observed so you don't introduce new issues. When you're confident with the adjustments, save your form settings. Don't just close the panel. Make sure you apply or save changes and then save the page in the site editor so everything is published. Finally, run another test. Submit the form again and confirm you see the success message or redirect and that the entry arrives at the intended destination. If it works, you're all set. If not, repeat the checks you just made, focusing on the area where the error appears. With these steps, you can quickly isolate and fix most Squarespace form submission issues.